everyone, I'm Linda Suarez with Malele Epoxy Designers, and this is another episode with UltraClear Epoxy. So follow me for this project.
I'm super excited about this project. I've wanted a river table ever since I found out river tables were a thing. I wanted it to really show like my love for Mexico, Mexican culture, the colors, the food, of course. So I'm super excited to be working with you on this.
As the artist for this project, I have chose to use Deep Pour from UltraClear Epoxy.
So I have obviously high expectations because I want this piece of art to stay with me forever. So durability is obviously key. The clarity in the color, I want that bright, vibrant color to like shine through that I know that you're going to be able to do.
The Deep Pour from UltraClear Epoxy gives us durability and clarity, which is what we're looking for this project.
Wow, it's really special. I love my table. I could not be happier with it. It's absolutely perfect. You are truly artists, and the obvious love that went into this is going to be appreciated for years to come. Thank you so much.